welcome you all to the Wing Tea Art channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing and a try on the grass tip pen. So it comes with a really nice bubble wrapping. Let's see what's actually inside the package. Very nice white boxes. Pretty safe in it, so it's not going to, hopefully it's not broken inside. Let's see. Right, it comes with a sandpaper, and here is the glass pen itself. Not very nice, marble pattern painting within the glass. And this is the tipping of the pen, which I believe to fill with the ink. And the sandpaper is for you to actually sharpen the tip of the pen to your preference. You don't have to sand it in the first place. For this demonstration, we are going to use the Japanese manga ink. And let's draw something and have a try on the pen. Let's try to draw the Dragonball GOKU. So I draw the draft with the pencil first and filled the tip of the glass tip pen with the manga ink. And let's try to draw the outline. As you can see, the outline is quite easy to draw with this pen. So let's talk through the goods and bads on this glass tip pen. The good one is the tips of the pen can hold quite a bit of the ink, which means you don't have to refill frequently. The line drawn seems to be very similar to those drawn by the G pen, maybe a little bit thicker, but definitely will take a bit of time for you to get used to controlling the drawing lines because of the harder tip of this pen compared to the G pen. If you have used the Copic liner pen, then you will definitely feel the difference and will definitely take time to get used to this glass tip pen then. Overall, it's a very good pen to draw the outline for the drawing. You will definitely feel the difference on using the glass tip pen compared to the G pen or the Copic liner pen due to the harder tip. And you may need to try a few times on controlling the thickness of the drawing lines for the same reason. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it and hope you will come back to see more of my videos on Wing T Arts channel.